No, won't focus in video either. Try getting that damn thing to focus, but take a picture of it. So I guess we're doing a video. Doing a buddy build with the buddy. We're gonna do some dirt cars. Late night, Saturday night dirt track. Old, late model. Modified. Classic modified, I guess. Jim Folker. We'll have to put his link to his, you don't have to have a channel, but you could still go to his channel. You don't have nothing on it. You don't think he has a channel. I told him all you gotta do is put some videos on it. Start one. He's gonna send me his stuff. And I'm gonna